design enthusiasts, welcome back to Interior Decor Designs, your go-to channel for turning 4 walls and a roof into a masterpiece. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow. Subscribe to this channel, leave a comment, hit the like button, or share this video to your friends and family. Your bedroom is more than just a place to sleep. It's a sanctuary, a study hall, and a reflection of who you are. As trends evolve at lightning speed, keeping your space feeling fresh and cool can feel like a full-time job. Today, we are breaking down everything you need to know about creating a trendy teen bedroom that looks like it stepped right off a Pinterest board or a viral TikTok feed. We'll explore the deeper meaning of these trends, why they matter, and exactly how you can achieve the look yourself. Trendy teen bedroom. Decor refers to the ever-evolving aesthetic preferences that resonate with Gen Z and Alpha, blending personal expression with current cultural influences. Unlike the static cookie-cutter rooms of previous decades, trendy decor today is defined by vibes, specific moods created through curated color palettes, lighting, and textures. It is a fusion of nostalgia, such as the Y2K or indie sleaze, revivals, and futuristic elements like smart technology and RGB lighting. Essentially, a trendy teen room is a visual autobiography. It's a space designed to look good on camera for social media while providing a cozy, safe environment for the owner to navigate the transitions of young adulthood. Having a trendy bedroom offers significant psychological and social benefits beyond just looking nice. A well-decorated space that reflects a teen's current interests provides a sense of autonomy and control, which is crucial during the developmental years. When a room is organized and aesthetically pleasing, it can significantly reduce stress and improve focus, making it easier to tackle homework or unwind after a long day. Furthermore, a trendy room acts as a confidence booster. It provides a sense of pride when hosting friends and offers a creative outlet for self-expression. By surrounding yourself with colors and items you love, your bedroom becomes a positive environment that supports your mental well-being and inspires creativity. Every single day, to make your teen bedroom look professionally styled, you must start with a cohesive color story and layering. Begin by choosing a base neutral color like soft cream, charcoal, or sage green, and then layer in pop colors through accessories like throw pillows, posters, and rugs. Texture is your best friend. Mix materials like chunky knit blankets, faux fur rugs, and sleek metal accents to create visual depth. Don't forget the power of lighting. To achieve that trendy look, move away from harsh overhead lights and instead use a combination of sunset lamps, LED strips, and fairy lights to create a customizable atmosphere. Finally, personalize your walls with a curated gallery wall or a DIY vine grid, ensuring that everything feels intentional rather than cluttered. Balance is key for every busy area of decor. Leave a bit of white space to keep the room feeling airy and modern. Currently, several distinct styles dominate the world of trendy teen decor, each offering a unique way to express personality. The aesthetic minimalist look remains a top choice, focusing on clean lines, neutral tones, and organic shapes like wavy mirrors and pampas grass. For those who love color, the maximalist Danish pastel style is incredibly popular, utilizing checkerboard patterns, funky candles, and a bright sorbet color palette to create a joyful, high-energy space. On the other end of the spectrum, the grunge dark academia style appeals to those who prefer a moodier vibe featuring vintage books, dark wood, botanical prints, and thrifted frames. Lastly, the cozy gamer or tech-forward aesthetic is a major trend, integrating high-tech setups with soft elements like acoustic foam panels, plush seating, and neon wall art to bridge the gap between functionality and comfort. Creating the perfect teen bedroom is a journey of discovery. Whether you are leaning into the soft pastels of the coquette aesthetic or the bold colors of a retro revival, the most important thing is that the room feels like you. Trends will come and go, but the memories you make in your space and the comfort it provides are what truly matter. Remember, you don't need a massive budget to make a big impact. Sometimes a fresh coat of paint, some creative lighting, and a few thrifted finds are all it takes to completely transform your environment. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Interior Decor Designs for more room inspiration and styling guides. We want to hear from you which of these styles is your favorite. Comment down below and tell us what your dream bedroom looks like, or let us know which trend we should cover next. Make sure to turn on those post notifications so you never miss a makeover. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.